The career and technical education programs at Laney College are only as good as the partners that we have from the industry. And today, more than ever, we are deeply grateful for Johnson Controls, not just for its generosity, but for the genuine partnership that we have formed. Johnson Controls invested in Laney's HVAC refrigeration and building automation systems because they believe in the role that it plays in our community.
Yeah, I have received the Johnson Control scholarship, so it helps me a lot. So I use them to buy the hand-on tools and help me practice more the hand-on experience.
Their commitment and financial support have allowed us to implement outreach and retention strategies for our environmental control technology students.
Through this ECT program, I gained the knowledge and learn more how to troubleshooting. I want to be a HVAC contractor and then looking forward to get a general contractor license.
Through the Johnson Controls initiative, we have been able to create a complete educational pathway for our students that leads to living wage jobs in the field of HVAC refrigeration and building automation. And all of that is thanks to Johnson Controls. We are grateful. Thank you.